hidden, sweet place that everyone forgot, where nature still keeps her oldest secrets.
Far beyond the noise of the world
exists a paradise untouched by time. This is Alaska, beyond the postcards. And today, we discover it together. Every step feels sacred.
Nature whispers here.
Guided only by water and wind. Life leaves its stories behind.
A home where time stands still.
Even silence feels welcoming.
Every detail feels unreal. Few have walked here.
This is nature, uninterrupted.
Time feels softer here. Carved by centuries. Each moment feels sacred.
So much space to breathe.
Nature reminds us who we are. No rush, no noise. Even water breathes here. Nature's quiet art. You feel small in the best way. Every breath feels new.
Beauty needs no words.
This is the hidden Alaska. The universe feels closer. Time fades away. Every morning begins softly. Hope feels natural here. Not many places remain like this. We are only guests. Feel it before it disappears. Some beauty stays hidden for a reason. And maybe it should stay that way. The world feels gentler here. Not all journeys need destinations. Some places change you quietly. This is Alaska's hidden paradise.